everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. So let's begin with the chapter, children. And it says that artificial intelligence, that means AI, it has taken the world by storm. It's increasing. The use of AI has now been increasing. A lot of devices in reducing human effort. Now, how many devices are used? So many devices are being used by humans, and it has reduced the human effort. There are many AI devices or machines that we use in our day-to-day lives. And complete the given crossword with the help of the hints given below. So here certain hints are given below, and by using your sense you have to complete the given crossword puzzles. Write one word answers against the descriptions given below. So you have to write one word answers. Let's now begin with the exercise. We have to fill the crossword puzzle. Let's begin with it. The first one, that is the across. It says that this is an automatically operated machine that eases or replaces the work of a human being. And so the answer for this question is robot, and you will fill your answer over here. R-O-B-O-T, robot. Then next we have the third across, and it says this is a wearable device which not only shows the time but it also displays readings of certain body functions. And the answer for this question is a smart watch. So we will write over here S-M-A-R-T, smart, and W-A-T-C-H, watch, smart watch. Then we move on to the down, and it says the second one is these machines can fly high up in the sky just like a helicopter, and they mostly have cameras fitted in them. And the answer for this is drones, D-R-O-N-E-S, drones. And you will write your answer over here, D-R-O-N-E, and S is already given over there. Then the next one is the fourth one. This is a free to use AI system created by OpenAI and is trained to follow a prompt and provide the detailed answers. And the answer for this question is ChatGPT. आजकल बच्चे इसे अपनी सॉल्यूशंस के लिए, अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. सो यू विल राइट ChatGPT, C-H-A-T-G-P and T. Then the next we have is, this is a computer program which is designed to simulate human conversation and is usually used in websites and apps. And the answer for this question is chatbot. So the answer is chatbot. We will write here C-H-A-T, chat, B-O-T, bot, chatbot. Then the next, that is the last one, the sixth one is, this device is Amazon's interactive voice assistant. And nowadays people are using it a lot, and they actually like to converse with this device. And the name of the device is Alexa. We call it Alexa, A-L-E-X-A, Alexa. And so with this we have filled the crossword puzzle now. Let's move to the quick fact. The quick fact says that AI was officially invented in 1956. So many long years ago it was already invented, but nowadays its speed is increasing. The people are using it in a lot number to reduce the human effort. So I hope you have understood the questions. Your answer please for the kids and the kids, you have to answer that which is your favorite AI device. You will write your answer for this, that what is your favorite AI device. This was all about the chapter. I hope you have gathered vast knowledge by studying this chapter. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.